In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email in Hubstaff in just 5 minutes. We all know how crucial it is to keep our information up to date, and sometimes you might need to switch your email address for a variety of reasons. Perhaps you've switched jobs or simply have a new preferred email. So let's dive into the process step by step to ensure a smooth transition. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you're most comfortable with. Once it's up and running, navigate to your go-to search engine and type in Hubstaff. It should be among the first results to appear. Click on the link to access the Hubstaff homepage. Once you're on the Hubstaff website, go ahead and sign in to your account. Enter your credentials as prompted. If you've saved your login details in your browser, this step will be quick and easy, giving you immediate access to Hubstaff's dashboard. Now that you're signed in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your avatar or profile picture there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with multiple options related to your profile settings and account management. From the list of options, select My Account. This will redirect you to your account page, where you'll find a variety of settings you can adjust to personalize your Hubstaff experience. On the account page, look for the link labeled Change Email. This is where you'll be able to update your current email address. Click on it to proceed to the next step in the process. Now you'll need to input your current password in the designated field. This step is crucial, as it ensures that it is indeed you accessing the system and making changes to sensitive information. After entering your password, move on to inputting your new email address in the specified field. Double-check that you've typed everything correctly, since typos here could lead to quite a bit of confusion later on. With your new details entered, go ahead and click the Save button to confirm your changes. It's essential to make sure everything is correct before saving to avoid any mishaps or the need to repeat the process. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your email address in Hubstaff. The platform will typically send a confirmation email to your new address. Be sure to look out for it to complete the verification, if required. This quick update can make managing your Hubstaff account more streamlined, helping you maintain productivity without missing any important notifications. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.